Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Messenger clear data. To know how to fix or how to solve Messenger data or clear data, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. After that, in this page you will search about Messenger app. Here in this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. After that we'll enter to storage. Then in this page we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. We will wait 3 seconds and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix your problem that you have on Messenger. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.